Hi friends, welcome to Foodie Bites. Our special recipe coconut vada. So let's get started. In a mixer, grind the dalia and add shahi jeera, ilachi, cinnamon and cloves and grind it and keep it aside. And also grind coconut pieces. After grinding coconut pieces, now add ginger garlic paste, green chilies, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander leaves, mint leaves, salt and grind it finely. After grinding, now add the dalia powder and gram flour and mix it well and make it a dough. Now make small balls with the dough and press it gently in the middle and make it a round shape. Prepare all the vadas and keep them aside. Heat the oil and fry all the vadas. Put slowly one vada in the oil and fry them till the golden brown color. These vadas are very crisp and soft inside. Fry all the rest of the vadas slowly in a medium flame. All the vadas are fried. Coconut vadas are a good combination for sambar, rasam, dal, and they are very crunchy from outside and soft from inside. They can also be taken in the snack time along with tea. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Foodie Bites.